Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. I installed the frame connectors. I'm going to clean up this undercarriage here and get this rear end out of here. The leaf springs and the axle. We can finish cleaning this up, and it also needs a good cleanup. Probably put new bearings in it, new seals while I got it out. See what kind of gears we got in it. So we got to take this rear valance off that it installed, because you need to do that to get the leaf springs out of it without smashing it. So let's get to it. Two bolts on each end. Doesn't want to come out. That's all right. This car here, being a 70 only, is the only one with these brackets here. I think some of the 71s had them also. The later ones had one big bracket in the middle with one screw on it. There you go. Put this somewhere where it doesn't get hurt. Pick up your hardware. It's right here. So we got 4 shackle nuts on each side, and there's 4 nuts that hold the leaf spring hangers in the front. I think they're 11/16. They are 11/16. see, they don't want to come out. You can pop the outside piece of the shackle off there. Just let it hang there for a few minutes. We'll take the front nuts off the hangers in the front. These upper ones are hard to get to when if the torque box is in the way. I might actually have to move this lift. I guess we'll put them on the outside here. Be a good spot for them. Very good. There we go. That's much more better. And it broke. Put some more oil on it. Run them in and out a little bit. Get the threads cleaned up. We're not going to take it all the way out. So we lower the car down. Alright. Leave that till we get it off. Do this side now. Okay. Got some jack stands. Okay. Finish taking these front nuts out, and might as well get the back here started first, though. Sometimes these are just as stubborn. And they're not. That's surprising. That's surprising. Hammer action. There's your bushings. You're completely worn out. Shackle bushings. Oh, this one missed. I'm going to take the two nuts off the front now. All right. Yep. Off. And this one's almost off. And there you go. One rear end. Bushings are stuck in there. I got to pry them out. I'm just gonna go up high enough. No cigar. All right, watch. Watch yourself. And knock this off the stands. There we go. Ooh. So 70 Challenger and 71, some 71s. The e-brake from the passenger side goes all the way over to the driver's side. And the shock mounts are also different. This side here's got a broken shackle bolt in it. That's why it's loose like that. And then let's wheel this outside.